Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a fan of the latest tech and smartphone news, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the hottest rumors about the upcoming iPhone 16, including its expected release date and potential pricing. So, let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about the release date. According to whispers from Apple's supply chain and component manufacturers, it looks like Apple is gearing up for another major iPhone launch. While nothing is official yet, we can look to Apple's history for some clues. Apple has a well-established pattern of unveiling new iPhones in September. If history is any indicator, we can expect the iPhone 16 to be announced in the first or second week of September 2024. Mark your calendars, but remember, Apple is known for keeping its secrets tightly guarded. In fact, last year, Apple kept quiet about the launch event date until just 2 weeks before the big day. So, don't expect any confirmation until we're right on the cusp of the event. Moving on to the price, while the September reveal seems almost guaranteed, the official cost of the iPhone 16 remains a mystery. Apple has managed to keep this under wraps, but we can make some educated guesses based on previous models. Typically, the price range for new iPhones has been fairly consistent, with slight increases to reflect new features and technology. We can speculate that the iPhone 16 will follow this trend, possibly starting around the same price point as the iPhone 15. But of course, we'll have to wait for the official announcement to know for sure. Until then, stay tuned to Channel Name for all the latest updates and rumors. So, what are you most excited about with the upcoming iPhone 16? The potential new features, the design, or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.